something about your collection and today's show, and then we'll ask her to say something how she feels in your outfit.
So I think we should talk. I don't want to talk. Ask Aditi.
So just start. Janta by
Basically, I've become Anand's spokesperson.
Yeah.
Just say how you feel in your outfit.
No, I actually am a very, very big fan of Anand's. Even before I knew him, now that I know him and he's a friend, but when I first came to Bombay and I saw his clothes, I was like, I have to wear this man's creations. I just love them. He's a real master craftsman, so fine, his aesthetic is so beautiful. And I'm so glad now that we are really good friends, so I get to wear his clothes. So I always feel really, really special in his clothes. It's totally up my street. I love the collection today. I've already made a list of what all I want. And you better give it to me.
Done.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Good afternoon, and SR indeed player at INFD to present the 15th season for the Gen Next show. And it's always good to see these young designers, and as I always tell in my previous press conferences also, that these are the Virat Kohlis of tomorrow. So they are the people like who have grown, who are taking our baton forward, who are taking the baton from the established designers and who are giving the new look. And the kind of talent they have displayed today was amazing. And even I was just having a talk with the founder of Diesel, and he was so impressed with the kind of thing he's saying that they are doing the wonderful, amazing things which we even don't see even in Europe. So this is the biggest compliment come from the horse mouth, and I'm sure that they will follow the footsteps of their mentors or their seniors like Rahul Mishra, Masaba, maybe anyone. They all have started their career from the Gen Next, and I still remember those days once at the same place, not in the same place, but in the Grand Hyatt. We used to introduce those designers, and today they are the established names, and they are making India proud at Paris Fashion Week and other. At INFD, it's our pleasure to present these young designers, and basically government talk of women empowerment, and today we have seen that out of 5 designers, 4 were girls. So they are making us proud, and this generation Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao government is always propagating, and we are doing at Gen Next with the 4 female designer and our only Chirag. So they talk about women reservation, and I think now the time has come and they will start a male reservation in Gen Next. So on this note, we are taking, as you must have seen in the AV also, INFD to London Fashion Week, and from September onwards, from the next session, you will see the same Gen Next at London Fashion Week also, and we would love to give chance to these designers and these young talent at London Fashion Week too. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Khosla. Would love to know about your collections, all of you. Chirag, can you talk to us about your collection, please?
Hi everyone. My collection was the Spring Summer line, and it was based on a psychological test called Rorschach ring blot test. I have developed all my patterns from that, and then I have worked a lot on my dyeing because I have a major love for dyeing and printing. So that's what there in my collection. What new I've really done is that I have infused a lot of cotton-based menswear fabric, and I have dyed them and treated them in a very Indian way to get those looks. So yeah, that was my collection.
Thank you so much, Chirag.
Hi.
Hi, Sahaya. Can you please tell us about your collection?
My collection is basically all about the drape, the detailing, the texture and the fabric. It's not embellished. The colors are more an organic, kind of a neutral palette. And it's for anybody who loves to be easy but still make a bold statement.
Thank you. Hi, Naveen. Can you please talk to us about your collection?
The collection for this season is all about denim, and because denim by itself at times is very uncomfortable, tried to make it as cool and comfortable as possible. My only motto with fashion is that I don't want to put people into things that they don't want to wear. If somebody wants to wear something and feels the garment to his skin as good, so he should wear that. So that's the collection about. We've done a lot of lasers and childlike characters. It tries to bring out the inner child of the wearer.
It looks good on you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Agrima?
Hi guys, firstly thank you so much for being here and welcoming me so warmly into Lakme, including you sir. Thank you so much for the opportunity. So it feels great, it's a dream come true because I only graduated last year from Parsons, so I'm only 22, so being the youngest designer this season feels absolutely amazing. A little about my collection, as you can see my muse Mandana Karimi, she's looking absolutely stunning in this outfit, and as well as my model Daria, she's also just rocking this look. And my collection is called To the Stars and Back, and it's basically sort of a very fun, playful collection as you can see. And all this patchwork on Mandana's sleeve and Daria's shoulder, it's actually all zero wastage because I've used the scraps of fabric to make the patchwork. So that's actually the crux of my collection, but it also kind of like suffices my urge to conserve the environment. So that makes me really happy. So I hope you guys like my collection and thank you so much.
Thank you. And finally, we have Montrose. Would you like to tell us about your collection, please?
My collection is based on Middle East wear. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to break the stereotype abaya. I'm trying to make something which covers your body beautifully, yet not making you, restricting you while looking beautiful. It's based, the name of my collection is Modest Chapter. The theme is based on books.
Thank you. We'd like to open up for questions. Can we have some questions, please? Anyone has questions?
वरना आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस कलेक्शन के बारे में और कितना कंफर्ट महसूस कर रहे हैं?
Coffee comfortable है, and it's very colorful, and it's perfect for even for a day outfit. When you don't want to look too dressy. So, and the best thing that I love about what I'm wearing is that she hasn't wasted all the small little pieces of her collection, and she's put it in another outfit and look really fashionable and colorful. Yeah.
अली आपका क्या take है इस चीज़ पे?
Well, Naveen ने बहुत ही अच्छा एक design किया है. Just her work with the denim and keeping it so free at the same time. I think it's really cool. And for someone like me, thank you very much for having me wear this. She specially made this for me. And I love the designs because it's so subtle and at the same time it's not loud. Mostly fashion sometimes becomes very restrictive for regular people to wear. Because we're out there looking at it and we're like, shit, yeah, we can't get our hands on it. I think it's really cool. It's very everyday at the same time. It's a statement. So yeah.
Do we have more questions?
Yeah, Manna, you've been a model yourself in the past, right? But walking on the runway was something that you have not tried that much. So how was the experience being a showstopper now and compared to
I
your
didn't walk
modeling
the show
days?
though.
Yeah, so you are a showstopper because you're sitting here.
It's amazing. I never been very interested into runway because I always like movies and visuals and commercials, and but I do enjoy dressing up. I do enjoy going for fashion weeks and just looking at the dresses and the new collection and what is in, because of the kind of a job that I do, I have to wear different clothes and go to different places, and it's amazing to see someone so young, and it's great to see this stage that is given by people like Sir, and it's a great opportunity for them, and I hope we're gonna have more shows like this.
And Ali, you are a veteran on the fashion runway. Like you
Am I?
walked the last edition as well.
This is the last one, yes.
Yeah. So, any plans to come up with your own, or maybe associate with any designer to come up with your own line? Vedas has done it in the
Yeah, I
past.
walked in boxers last year for his show. I still hate him for that. Last minute he's convinced me. Nobody was. But it was quite cool. I do, yes, maybe one day, I don't know, but I don't feel qualified. No, I'm still grappling with my films and my acting. I love to sell celluloid. This is a very new experience, so I'm all gung-ho. I'm still going to try and maybe, try my luck on the ramp maybe next time. I don't know.
मिली जी आपसे सवाल है कि आप आज लक्ष्मण फैशन वीक की शुरुआत हुई है
जी।
लक्ष्मण में कितना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मानती है डिजाइनर्स के लिए और सेलिब्रिटीज के लिए भी खास
well, मुझे लगता है कि जिनके कपड़े मैं पहन के आई हूँ, नवीन शेख जो कि एलेक्सर के लिए डिज़ाइन करें आज, वो फर्स्ट टाइमर है, एंड आई जस्ट थिंक दैट अ प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक दिस वेयर जो भी डिज़ाइन करना चाहता है वो आके, इफ यू आर गुड, you've got a platform and you reach instantly everybody that you want to reach. I think इससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत बात तो कोई हो ही नहीं सकती, और किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में आपको 1000 बार स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है. You've got to go through so many layers to get where you want to be. But यहाँ पर a platform like this is really priceless. As far as celebrities go, who doesn't like fashion? Who doesn't like wearing lovely clothes? And if you've got new people giving new twists to things that you already have, उससे अच्छी बात क्या हो सकती है? आज मैंने अपनी सारी denim jeans के साथ पहनी है. I think that's a first.
Are there any more questions? Yeah.
Hi, Vandana.
Hi.
Firstly, you're looking really nice.
Thank you.
And I want to ask you one thing, which is that you mentioned about your profession, that you come for fashion weeks, you watch all of this. Do you follow a particular trend, or do you have your own style?
I have my own style, and even with my stylist, I always choose what I feel comfortable. And when I see a dress, when I wear it, when I feel comfortable, I take it. it's not really important to follow trends. It's important that you feel comfortable, because when you are feeling comfortable, you can see it. You enhance the outfit and it look great on you. So I think just what you're comfortable with.
Okay, thank you. And what about you?
What about
Do you
me?
follow trends or do you have your own style or what is it like?
Well, I do have my own style, but I like to follow trends. I like to keep up with it because fashion industry is running the show everywhere. Even the office goers wearing their regular shirts, it's been designed somewhere. There's a lot of thought given to it. So I respect that and I follow it.
So what's your go-to look like?
My go-to is my white tee and jeans, my boots, my denim jacket, and I love it. That's my that's my
चलिए
favorite.
मेरा लास्ट सवाल है सभी जितने भी डिजाइनर्स यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं वो क्या चीज़ देखते हैं सेलिब्रिटीज के अंदर कि वो अपने ड्रेस के लिए उनको सेलेक्ट करते हैं और क्या उनका पैरामीटर होता है ये सेलिब्रिटी ही मेरे कपड़ों के लिए फिट होगा
You can say.
I sort of have an answer to that. I think what I see in my wearer is their personality, their inner beauty more than just their outer beauty. Well, of course, Mandana is like absolutely gorgeous, but she's just such a nice person as well, and that just enhances the outfit so much more. So my clothes are for a woman who like appreciates her inner beauty as much as her outer beauty, because I think they're as important as the other and they go hand in hand. So that's definitely a key point for me.
Thank you all.
Minnie, we love you for endorsing sari so beautifully every time.
Thank you.
Now that you're here, we just wanted to know your reaction on Bajrangi Bhaijaan winning a national award.
I hope I get to buy 10 more sarees because of this, but I'm obviously very happy. I mean, a national award is a big deal simply because it's the only award which doesn't involve a TV show, and it's not an event in itself, but true appreciation of what the country feels for the film, and I'm very happy and proud that I was part of it, and Kabir is somebody who's made this film. Thanks so much.
Thank you guys.
लास्ट सवाल एक लास्ट सवाल
Fashion.
फैशन में उसी नेशनल अवार्ड को लेकर कि पीकू में अमिताभ बच्चन साहब को मिला लेकिन सभी अवार्ड फंक्शंस में रणवीर सिंह को भी मिला तो आप क्या समझते हैं कि ये ट्रांसपेरेंसी दिखाई गई वहाँ पे नेशनल अवार्ड में
I think ये pertinent नहीं है. I think everybody else will feel very bored. आपसे मैं बात करके आपको ये answer कर सकती हूँ.
Yeah, I think we should stick to fashion, please. Yes. We'll now have a quick photo op. So I
Thank
would
you
now
very much,
request-
and a big round of applause. We forget for the parents who are here.
Thank you.
So all the parents, like it's the biggest day for them to see their kids today walking the ramp and making them proud. And this is the golden moment for them, and they can also join and post that photo up.
Thank you so much.
We have a big Gen Next team, so
Yes,
all of you
please
please run together.
थोड़ा राइट या
Yeah, Olivia.
one more idea.
Look at front. Yes, yes, look here.
Done?